Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in today's video, we are going to see a set of 6 permanent work from home job opportunities. So all these job opportunities are freelancing type. It is part-time opportunities and it is applicable for undergraduates or graduates or even postgraduates. So all the students or housewife or persons who are looking for part-time opportunity, they can do this job, and there is 6 categories of recruitments happening, and it is completely trustworthy. Why? Because these recruitments we are going to see is from a government of India organization, which is Indian Institute of Science. So we are going to see 6 categories of recruitments in today's video. All of them are freelancing and anybody can do this job. It is very simple task. So I'll be walking you through this 6 set of recruitments. I'll be telling you what all things you have to do, what is the payment, how the payment is, everything we are going to see. Anyway, all of them are work from home. You can do it from anywhere, and there is no requirement of relocation or traveling or anything. Okay, so let's see the recruitment updates one by one. If you're seeing the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page. Okay, so let's see the recruitment one by one. The first recruitment we are going to see is a job of content creator. It is a part-time opportunity, and they have very clearly given that it is work from home. You can do it from anywhere in the world, or you can you can work from home. Okay, qualification they have given is undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate. Anybody can apply. Freshers and experienced candidate, both candidates can apply. So when I'm explaining the job notifications, you can see the details on the screen. Now, these notifications are from Indian Institute of Science and their branch called Speech Recognition in Agriculture and Finance for the Poor in India. So this wing is conducting these set of recruitments. Okay. So the first recruitment, as I've said, it is for content creator and it is part-time. Now here, the requirement we have seen, educational requirement is like any undergraduate or graduate or postgraduate, anybody can apply. The requirement for skills is basic computer knowledge, and you should be having knowledge of English language. Okay, and you should be having a laptop or desktop at home because it is work from home. So you should have a desktop or laptop at your home so that you can work from your home, and a good internet connectivity. Now the payment here is 10,000 per month. So please have in mind that it is a part-time opportunity and you just have to work like 2 hours to 3 hours a day. Okay, so just by working 2 to 3 hours a day, you can get 10,000 per month. So if you are a student and if you are looking for a part-time opportunity, it will be the perfect one. Okay, so that is the first recruitment, which is for content creator part-time. Selection process will be happening through a pilot writing task. Okay, so if you are interested, please click here to apply. Just click on that icon. You will be directly getting redirected to our Google form. Just fill up the form, and that is the only procedure. Okay, so that is the first recruitment from the 6 set of recruitments. This is the first recruitment, which is for a content creator part-time. The next recruitment is happening for sentence translation post. Means here you are going to translate various sentences. Here the requirement is that you should be having a language as your native language, and there is 9 languages given, which are Hindi, Telugu, Chhattisgarhi, Bengali, Kannada, Marathi, Maithili, Magahi, Bhojpuri. So Marathi, all these 9 languages they have given, and out of which if one is your native language, you can apply for this post, and the post name is sentence translator or sentence translation. Okay, educational requirement is undergraduate or graduate, again or postgraduate can apply. There is no specific requirement on any streams or any year of pass out, anything as such. Again, you can work from your home forever, so there is a permanently work from home opportunity. And the payment is like this: for every 1,000 sentences corrected, you will be getting 2,000 rupees. Okay, so that is the payment. So all these opportunities are freelancing opportunities, and the payment is also based on the amount of work you are going to do. Based on that, you will be getting the payment. That is the case. Okay. So here a set of sentences will be given to you. You have to translate that sentences to English. Okay, so the sentence will be in native language. So that is the job of sentence translator. The next job is language expert. Again, there is a set of languages given. You will be working on that language, provided that one of this given language is your native language. Okay. The setters like Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Telugu, Kannada, Bhojpuri, Magadhi, Chhattisgarhi, Maithili. So these are the set of languages, and if you are having knowledge in this language, you can do this job. Okay. So that is the job of a language expert. Again, qualification is the same, and the payment is like this: ₹1 per one utterance. Okay. So you'll be like given some set of files like audio files. You have to check the quality of the audio file. Okay, so this is the third category of recruitment. The next one is text to speech validation. Again, some speech sentences like files will be given to you. You have to convert that to, like, you have to hear that file and you have to validate it. That is text to speech validation. Again, some set of languages, like 9 languages is given, and also you should be having basic computer knowledge and typing skill for doing this. Okay, so that is text to speech validation. Qualification is almost the same: undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate. All of those candidates can apply. Freshers and experienced candidate both are eligible for this. And the payment is like this: for 500 audio samples you'll be getting 1000 rupees. Okay, so that is how the payment is. So that is the recruitment for text to speech validation. The next category is sentence composition in your local dialect. Okay, so it is again like a subject or a language expert kind of a job. Here you are going to compose sentences in your local language or in your native language, provided that you are having one language out of this 9 options as your native language. Okay, skills required is basic computer knowledge and typing skills, good internet connectivity at your home, and you should be having laptop, desktop at your home, because this is a permanently work from home job. So these 2 things are mandatory. You should be having a laptop or a desktop so that you can work from your home, and a good internet connectivity. Okay. Again, qualification is the same, and here also for 200 sentences you are going to create, you'll be getting 1000 rupees. So all these jobs are like freelancing, as I said. So there is flexible timings based on your convenience. You can do, provided that you are just working like 2 hours or 3 hours a day, or if the quantity of based on the quantity of work you are going to do, the payment is going to be as compared to the work you are doing. Okay, yeah, so that is the job of sentence composition in your local dialect. The last category of recruitments is happening for speech recordings along with transcription in your local dialect. So here again, speech recording and transcription, that is the title or the job profile name. Skills required is computer knowledge and typing skill. You should be able to read and understand native language and local dialect version of that language. Having a degree in the native language will be a preference, otherwise also you can apply. You should be having a laptop, desktop at your home, must have an Android phone, and you should be having good knowledge of Google Docs, Sheets, etc. Also good internet connectivity at your home. Now the job description is like this: a set of topics will be given to you, and the task will be to read, understand, and get familiarized with the given set of topics. So the topics will be in maybe your native language or in a local language, so you have to read and understand that. Okay, and then you have to converse or talk to people in the local dialect of the chosen language. So you have to talk to the people or the common man in their language. So this is the job for this particular post. Okay, now the payment here is like this: For every 20 minutes of effective duration, like if you are going to talk for like 20 minutes, you'll be getting rupees 500. Okay, so that is the payment. So all these jobs, as I said, it is having flexible timings, and the payment, work, everything is flexible. It is not like a 9 to 5 job, but it is freelancing job. Okay, so these are the set of 6 different recruitments, or 6 categories of recruitments. All of them are freelancing job opportunities, and the main merit is that it is from a very trusted organization that is coming under Government of India, that is Indian Institute of Science. So if you are interested in a freelancing opportunity, if you are a student, if you want to work from home, as a as in you are looking for a part-time opportunity, then this will be very, very useful, because a lot of people can apply for this. A lot of people are eligible for this, because this is very simple task, and also the duration for which you are going to do this task is also very less. Okay, so that's all for today's video. We have seen 6 categories of freelancing recruitments from Indian Institute of Science. So if you found the content useful, please go to the description, start applying for these opportunities. And if you found the video useful, please don't forget to like the video. Also share the video with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.